Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Maria Usi Mix Vlogs. Today I'm showing you another different cooking called corn silverside. It's like it's corned beef from the tin, but it's not. It's like Australian specialty. These all are the vegetables that included in this cooking. This is more than 3.5 kilo or nearly 3.5 kilo. But the procedure of this cooking, you have to put in the saucepan. We need a deep saucepan to put in the corn silver side. We need more than 1 liter of water. If it's not enough, you have to add up more water to cover up the whole beef. And we have to cook it for more than 4 hours. Cooking time of every 500 grams is 40 minutes. Make it sure the water is fast on the top of the meat. So I have to add up now the onion, the bay leaves, this is a fresh one, the garlic, the sugar, this is a brown sugar, the brown vinegar. If you don't have brown vinegar, just a normal white one. I have to turn on the stove on high, and after that, when it's boiling, and reduce the heat in low and cook in 4 hours. It's just simmering and slow cooking. So now, while I'm waiting to cook for the beef, I have to fill the potato. So just cut into chunk, big chunk, not small one. So just like this size, and I soak in the water so that doesn't go brown. So this size what we're really looking for. Green beans. Mix frozen vegetables because I don't have a fresh one, so I use frozen one. And this is for my white sauce. This is corn flour, milk, cup of milk. This is I'm going to cook later for my white sauce with salt, onion. Now I'm going to check if it's okay now to turn down the stove and cook slowly or simmering cooking. So now I put in very low for more than 4 hours, but I have to check again occasionally until it will be cooked. This is 4 hours cooking time. So I have to check now what's going on. So it's now really simmering slow cook. Now it's nearly 4 hours, so I have to check cut if already the meat is tender. So all good, tender. But look at this guys, so yummy. Now I'm going to boil the potato while I'm waiting for few minutes to finalize the cooking of corn silverside. Take note the cooking time of the silverside in every 500 grams is 40 minutes. So that's why when I start cooking, our dinner is earlier because it takes a long time to cook. It's just about everything is ready, so I have to make a white sauce now. Simmering and slow cooking as well because it's just a white sauce. I have to mix them all together, including onion, salt, milk, and ground black pepper. So keep stirring the onion. Now the corn flour we have to add up just a normal water. This is for thickening for the white sauce. Keep stirring until no lump of the corn flour. Flour have a good result of thickening, especially if you're making a different kind of sauce. So now I have to add up my corn flour for the white sauce. So that is the good result of thickening the white sauce. So I have to put aside. I have to drain now the corn silverside on the plate. It's very heavy. It's more than 3 kilo. I can't really lift that. It smells good, so yummy. The potato is already cooked and ready, so I have to add up the rest of the vegetables. So the green beans, the mixed vegetables, this is a frozen one. Just only a few minutes because the water is already boiling. Supposed to steam these vegetables, but don't wanna waste the water that it's been already boiling. Now, this is all the outcome of my cooking. This is our dinner. So look at this, guys. That's my white sauce, my corn silver side. So I need to cut now and serve. It's really look very yummy dinner. This is my white yummy sauce. Mmm, yummy. So what you think of my cooking, guys? Just please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.